Hey kids, I'm not good at build videos, so I'm just gonna tell you what I'm doing. This is easy. This is like ABCs of woodworking. Each sides are 12 inches long from long point to long point with a 45-degree cut. Short sides are 7 degrees or 7 inches from long to long, 45-degree cut. Make the box. I'm gonna put a rabbet in the bottom to accept the plywood. So I've got my table saw set up with my sacrificial fence. I got my saw blade right up against it. So I'll make 2 passes, one there and then another one to make the 1/4 inch. I flattened all the material out on my joiner, which has done a really good job. It's nice and straight. And then I cut, that piece was 2 pieces, and I cut it in half inch, it's ½ inch thick, 4 inches tall. And then I set my miter. The best way that I've found to do the miter cuts is this way so far. It keeps them pretty straight. So let me know what you guys do with that on the 45s. If that's what's going on, I gotta make another box. I might have to make 2 or 3 of these things. I don't know. People went nuts over that one. So that's what I'm doing. Y'all let me know what you think. Thing and glue, clamps, put the bottom in the box. I got the rabbet cut out, 1/4 inch. This is going to be the lid. Got it in glue. These pieces are oak, so it's poplar and oak for the lid. I think it's going to look cool. So tomorrow I'm going to line inside the box with these strips. That's your 1/4 inch by inch and something. I ripped them off a piece of about 1 3/16 inches. So this goes around the bottom. So this is what the tray sits on, runs back and forth. I can also make the tray out of this because I'll have enough. So that's what I done last time. Have to make a bottom for the tray, of course. But it's easy, simple stuff. Anybody got any questions, just email me. I'll tell you anything you want I can about it. So, like I said, I'm not good at making build videos, but I can tell you what I'm doing. This is good, and this is just basic beginner woodworking. Just make it look good and nice. So, alright guys, thanks. You know what to do.